Alright, in this video I want to cover the bank file commands, the S to B, slots to bank, and bank to slots commands. With these commands we can macro manage our presets in the D-Lev. We can upload entire banks of preset files or profile files. I'm going to show you how to do this with preset files. Right, so we would use let's get a bank file first. We'd say S to B, which is slots to bank file. We need to tell it the file name and call it I don't know, my bank. Oh, it's in the all directory. We have to go to where all the presets are. Alright, what it's doing then is downloading all the slots and associating them all with slot names, or preset file names rather. So the slots are matched to the DLP file names and written to the file allmybank.bnk. So if we look inside this file, what do we see? This is the file we just created. You can see it starts out with a little header here, and it says these are presets 0 through 120. And it lists them all. And then it says these are the negative profile slots from -1 to -7, the non-negative profile slots from 0 to 7, and the negative preset slots. So this is a text file, and you can go ahead in here and edit it how you want, and then use that as a basis to reprogram your slots in a mass kind of way. You can actually leave these comments, and anything that starts with a double slash will be ignored by the librarian. So I made a little bank file here. I edited that file down previously, and here's what's in it. I call it brass.bank, and it has like trumpets and tubas and junk. So it has 6 different brass instruments. So this is a bank file, and we're going to look at hold on, I gotta change the directory back down. Okay, now we're back in the directory where the librarian is. So we want to look at the slots right now. Let's see what's in the slots. Okay. So say I want to put my brass right, I don't know, here, and it's 68, right? So what we do is 68 then, yes. Okay, we'd say this would be a bank file to slot, and the file is in the all directory, and it's my brass bank, and we have to tell it what slot to start at, and we'll start it at 68. So you can see that it went through and it uploaded each one of these files. It started with the first, the trumpet, and the first thing in the bank file. See, right here it started with trumpet, it goes on to trumpet mute 2, and ends with trumpet B flat. And indeed it does. And it goes consecutively from 68 to 73. So 68 is the slot that we told it to start at. So that's how you upload a bunch of presets all at once. You can do this also with profiles. Let's do it again for a negative slot, because I want to show you what happens there. Let's do it, I don't know, at -56. -56. So So you can see here it went in the opposite direction, in a more negative direction when we use a negative, we start with a negative slot. It went from minus 56 to minus 57 to minus 58 and so on. And let's take a look at what that looks like. Looking at the slots again to see what's there. So here at 68, we started with the trumpet and went to 73, trumpet B flat. And over here we started at minus 56. So you can see that it sequentially programs according to what's in the file names in the file. So that's a real handy thing to use for managing like banks of instruments. You won't want to put all your bells together, all your brass together, all your strings together, all your vocals together, that sort of thing, and you can put them in, just name them in separate bank files and upload them individually.